Hello everybody, I am the Craftacular creator and today I am sharing a process video for a positively puntastic card. We have a hot dog and a side of laughter with the sentiment relish the day. Here is a photo of the finished card. I hope you enjoy the crafty process. Before I begin, I would like to ask you to get clicky for Vicky. This is my own catchy way of asking you to like, share, comment and subscribe. For this card, I will be using Lawn Fawn Fruit Salad with the red gingham, No. 2 pencil cardstock, textured canvas cardstock. Here I have blue, but I do change this to teal. Textured canvas cardstock in green, a grassy border in dye, a stitched cloud backdrop die, and Happy Halloween stamp set. And finally, Let's Barbecue stamp set. I stamped my images using Memento Tuxedo Black ink on Nina Classic Crest £80 cardstock. I start colouring using Copic markers. I use the darkest shade first and then blend this out with the lightest. The caps can be seen on my craft mat. Once I have coloured and fussy cut the images, I get to work on the background panel. Off screen I die cut the grassy border and the stitched cloud backdrop. I found a lighter blue in the teal pack of the textured canvas cardstock. I add the grassy hillside to the background and then work out where I want my sentiment to go. I choose Relish the Day as I find this very funny. I stamped this using an acrylic block and VersaFine black ink as the cardstock was textured. I attached a hot dog and the sauce bottles using 3D frame squares. Then I attached a panel to an A2 panel of the red gingham paper. Ta-da! It's all done. Probably one of the quickest cards I have ever made. I love the little hot dog and the sentiment for this one, and I think it would be perfect for anyone celebrating a birthday. This card was inspired by episode 196 of Craft Roulette. The parameters can be seen on the screen. The wheel chose a very wacky set of parameters this week. Adding a dog to a card that had an element of preserves was a little tricky, but I got around this by simply living in the UK. Our hot dog sausages can be preserved in jars. My version of an apple farm is happy and bright, and we are definitely celebrating with that sentiment. With mention of Craft Roulette and parameters, I have included a slide of what it's all about and hope, if you haven't already, subscribe to Craft Roulette on YouTube. It is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and please remember to get clicky for Vicky. It would mean the world to me. Ta-ta for now everyone. Take care and I will be back soon.